All right, guys. Now let's talk about how much money is it needed. How much money do you need to book a cruise ship from Cape Town to Dubai? A lot of people see Dubai on TV. A lot of people see Dubai on newspapers. A lot of people hear Dubai on TikTok, on social media. But won't it be nice for you to be in Dubai on your own? Wena kana maya how? Wena with your own physical body, be in Dubai. Just be in Dubai. How much does it cost? Mr. K, Mr. K, tell me. Mr. K, I'm asking you, tell me, how much does it cost for a cruise ship? Or how much have you spent for a cruise ship from Cape Town to Dubai, then ended up in Doha and coming back to Cape Town, where you live? Let me just break it down, guys. Guys, this is what we do. We don't travel because we are rich. We don't travel because we've got a lot of money. Some of you think we've got a lot of money. No. Please, guys, understand it. We book all our journeys in advance. Right now, as I speak, we have already booked. We have already booked for next year, June. We are going to take a cruise ship from Cape Town to Palma de Mallorca. Cape Town to Palma de Mallorca for 21 days. How do you do it, Mr. K? How do you book all these vacations? How do you do the things? You've got a family of 5. How do you do it? How do you travel? Okay, this is simple. You can go to MSC Cruises is .co.za, or you can go to booking.com. You can go to cruise.booking.com. It's CRUISE.booking.com. Then you can choose your destinations there. Or you can go to cruisedirect.com. Those are the only 2 websites that will give you more options. Forget about MSC, right? Because there they will give you a lot of cruise liners, right? I don't want to give you about MSC. So how do you do it, Mr. K? I go to one of those websites. I booked already. I haven't paid. I just booked and I reserve it. Then I will be watching World Cup next year on a big screen. That is the reason why we're booking on a big screen on a cruise ship. I'll be watching Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi playing World Cup. I'll be watching Bafana playing World Cup on a cruise ship. Not at home, but on a cruise ship. How did you do it, Mr. K? All right, I go to those 2 websites. I book, and they allow you to book without money, without a cent. You just book, then your booking is confirmed. They send you booking confirmation. They will give you a date when you can pay a deposit. They only need a minimum of $200 deposit. How much is $200? $100 is about 1.8. $200 is about 1.8. So you're looking at about almost 3.7. Then you secure your cruise ship. My entire 5 family members I'm going to pay 3.7. The booking is there. I haven't paid. I will pay. Then what will happen is that they will give you a year to make a booking, to pay. So if you've got 1,500, you throw in. If you've got 2,000 rand, you throw in. If you've got 500 rand, you throw in. If you've got 1.2, you throw in. You've got 600 rand, you throw in. 700 rand, you throw in. You know, understand? So it's like that. You can just check how much is that in dollars. You can go currency converter. You can go to Google and say currency converter. The amount that I'm talking about, and you can just check how much is that in dollars. Very simple, right? Then they will tell you 15 days before the departure, the cruise ship vacation must be paid off. Must be paid off. Then you get something like your ship pass, your boarding pass, and all those type of things before departure. Then you have them. Check for countries where you are traveling. The cruise ship is traveling to, right? For instance, the cruise ship that I'm talking about now, it will travel from Cape Town, is going to Gqeberha, from Gqeberha in Port Elizabeth. This time around, we're not going through Durban. We are going through Mauritius, we are going through Madagascar, and we are going through Dubai. So those countries, your Madagascar, in all these type of countries, we don't need a visa. South Africans, we don't need a visa, right? But for Dubai, we need a visa. So I'll need to apply for a visa. So if you want to apply for a Dubai visa, you go to a website called dubaivisa.com. Those people are very professional. They will they will approve your visa within less than 24 hours. Less than 24 hours, and they're very cheap. Look at how much we paid for us, for me and my wife, all of us. We paid, I think, something like 6,300 for all of us. And they gave us it was a 14-day visa. 14 days visa, right? So we pay like that. On a monthly basis, guys, you pay like that. How much money do you guys spend on girlfriend allowance? How much money do you spend on your Ben 10 allowance? I know there are ladies who are giving these boys, small boys, money because they sleep with them. They are giving these small boys money because they sleep with them. You give these girls money because you sleep with them. Guys, why would you suffocate yourself instead of taking that money and save it for yourself? 700 rand, you can put that money away for you. A cruise ship ticket per person for that type of vacation that I'm talking about is cheap. It's about $800. 21 days. I'm not talking about a 4 days cruise ship where you can get in South Africa where you can pay 3,000 rand. The whole entire cruise ship journey. I'm talking about 21 days. Inside the cruise ship, you've got 21 restaurants, 18 bars. The cruise ship has got 18 floors. Guys, the drinks are unlimited. Beers are like, alcohol is like an unlimited Wi-Fi. You just go and drink and be full and be whatever you want. So that's how I plan my journey. Are you getting my point? I don't wait for me to have the 70,000 rand that I'm looking for. Because remember, I've got a family. We are a family of 5. It's me and my wife and my 3 kids. So we are 5. So for you and your wife, 2 of you, or you and your girlfriend, you'll pay something like 20,000 rand for the entire cruise ship for 20 days. But you are sitting here, you are crying, telling us whenever you are broke, you don't have money, I don't have money, but you've got money. How much money do you spend for data every month? A normal person in South Africa can spend something like 2.5 for a normal data that allows you to watch your stream, to watch soccer, to do everything. And on top of that, airtime, data, and so forth. That you can spend something like 1,000, 1,500 or 900 rand. That money you can put it aside for your vacation. How much money do you spend on alcohol? How much money do you spend on cigarettes? How much money do you spend, guys, on party? How much money guys, stop saying you cannot take these vacations because you don't have money. The minute you start complaining and say you don't have money is the minute you will be broke forever. So that's how we do our things. See, I already made a booking. You can book accommodation through booking.com and you pay nothing. You pay on arrival. Like now, I've already paid for my vacations. I already paid for my Dubai accommodation. I paid for my Paris accommodation. Done. Guys, I will talk again. We'll continue.